Welcome to Just Learn Civil. This is the first tutorial in cost estimate and we will calculate the quantity of windows grill in kg. Let us suppose this is our windows grill. Now within this frame we are going to calculate the grill quantity. We are assuming the grill to be vertical and horizontal arrangement. This will be vertical and horizontal arrangement in each opening. Now we need to first find the size of the opening. So for this will be our vertical ventilation. It will be ventilation. This will be left and right portion and this will be the middle portion. Here you can see the naming: ventilation, which is 2 in number, left and right position also 2 in number because they have both same dimension, and middle portion which is 1 in number. Now to find the dimensions, let's see, this is 0.675 along height. We will assume upward direction as height and horizontal direction as length. This is the length and this is the height direction. So along the length direction it is 0.281, this is spacing, and along height it is 0.675, left and right portion. So you can see here left and right portion 0.281 by 0.675 and it is 2 in number. Similarly the middle portion is 0.638 along the length and 0.675 along height. 0.638 along length and 0.675 along height. Now this is, you can see here, 0.3 along height, 0.3 along height, ventilation, 2 in number. Now we need to find the length. Length of the ventilation is 1.5 minus 1, 2, 3. The size of this each portion is 0.075. This is the frame. Whole is divided by 2 because there are 2 ventilation. We need to find the quantity of grill in kg. Assume the size of grill. This is the front face and this is the top view. So it is 12 mm by 12 mm and the length we will calculate. For one such grill we already know the length and height. So be it the horizontal grill or the vertical grill, we will have same square grill in all of them. So it will be 12 mm by 12 mm. Now to find the volume of this grill, L into B into H. All we need to do is multiply the length by 12 mm by 12 mm. So once we find the length, we already know B and H, we can find the volume. Now volume is in cubic meter. We know the density of steel is 7850. So kg per cubic meter. Cubic meter will be cancelled and we will be only remaining with kg. So our task is to find length. Once we find the length, we know the volume of, we know the kg of grill. Let's find the length. We already found the length of one grill. Now we need to find the length of all the grills. These are the grills. So firstly, let's find how many number of grills can be accommodated along in this middle portion. And similarly for others, we will calculate. To calculate how many horizontal, yes, horizontal bars can be accommodated, we need to divide this spacing, which is 0.675, is divided by our spacing is 0.075 plus 1. This will give us the number of horizontal bars. Now once we know the number of horizontal bars, we will multiply by the length of horizontal bars, that is 0.638. So this will give the total length of the horizontal bars in the middle portion. In the same way we can do for the vertical bars as well. For the vertical bars, we will divide by the vertical bars is accommodated along height. See, this vertical bar, it is accommodated along 0.638. So we will divide 0.638 is divided by 0.15 plus 1. Now this will be multiplied by the length of the vertical bars. Length of the vertical bars is 0.675. Now this will give the total length of the vertical bars. Once we know the total length of the vertical bars, this is the total length of the vertical bars into 12 mm by 12 mm. Now convert this into meter and multiply by kg per cubic meter. Cubic meter cancel. We will get only kg. In this way we can get the kg of vertical bars, kg of horizontal bars. Similarly for other opening we will do the same. And once we get the total length of all the grills and total length of kg, we will multiply by 7850, then we will get the grand total as 42.81 kg. This will be the quantity of grill in kg. Here our assumption is square grill of 12 mm by 12 mm. But suppose if we are using circular grill, then the process of finding length up to this much, the process would be same. Now to find the kg in grill, all we need to do is multiply the total length into area. Area now would be pi d square by 4. Now we will get this value in cubic meter, multiply by kg per cubic meter. Cubic meter cancel and we will get result in kg. Add all of them and we will get the total kg of the quantity of grain.